Half of 4 raised to 50 is blank. Okay, so half of 450, 4 raised to 50, ibig sabihin, i-divide lang natin sa 2. So 4 raised to 50 divided by 2. So i-simplify lang natin. So bawal i-divide directly itong 4 tsaka 2 kasi may exponent yung 4, yung 2 wala. So ang gagawin natin, itong 4 i-simplify natin. Itong 4, pwede yang isulat as 2 square. So meron pa siyang exponent na 50. Okay? So divided by 2. So ngayon, apply natin ang law of exponent. Kapag may dalawang exponent, 2 square, tapos may exponent pa ulit, ang ginagawa ay minumultiply lang. So simplify the numerator. So the numerator is 2 raised to 2 times 50, that is 100 over 2. So ngayon, meron na tayong parehas na base. Parehas ng 2 ang ating base. I-apply natin ang law of exponent. Sinasubtract lang ang exponent. So 100, ito ay may exponent na invisible, may 1. So therefore, the answer is 2 raised to, subtract the exponent, 100 minus 1. So therefore, the answer is 2 raised to 99, which is letter C. Follow for more.